this is how it works. So if you look at basically the theory look at the declining focus of oil and gas. So what it does is that it look at the reservoir itself and try to characterize the reservoir and look at the production timeline when the production start declining. And then as the production decline, you have to record the time of the declining. As you move on to the focus of where the production it start rising or increasing, then you need also to record the time when production increasing. So this theory is a very, very great theory. It's a scientific reservoir related theory. And what will happen is that I will use it to determine when the production start declining from 2017 using the data set that's available, and ensure that I calculate this declining, and then I do a summary of the monthly declining, and then I do a focused on what will happen in the next few years. So this theory helps us a lot in terms of ensuring that the decline itself is focus related. Okay. However, there might be challenges related to how this theory will be very, very scientific in a way that, because there are some factors that I will say they are basically very, we have no control over them, like the violence and war, for instance, in the context of South Sudan. Nobody has any power over that. However, the theory will underline those assumptions in itself. Traditional decline analysis theory is critical theory and will be applicable in this context because it helps to really detail and grab the declining levels. And reasons are there for every declining level. There will be reason that will be justified, and that analysis will help me, particularly as a researcher, to do our focusing model on what is it, particularly on things that are manageable, such as solution to do technologies if they are there, issue to do the water cuts if they are resolved, the issue of the sun. This thing can be predicted apart from war and violence. And that's why we normally say all of that we have what we call the assumption that always we keep going. So I want to thank you very much for listening, and as we move on, we keep going on. Thank you.